Imagine navigating a traffic jam without clenching the steering wheel, or receiving difficult feedback without your heart sinking, or facing a personal crisis without spiraling into panic. This isn't just composure, this is the profound power of Stoicism. This ancient philosophy isn't about being emotionless. It's a practical toolkit, refined over 2,000 years, for building an inner fortress of peace. At its core, Stoicism teaches a radical truth. True calm comes from focusing only on what you can control, your mind and your actions, and letting go of everything else. If that shift in perspective appeals to you, you're in the right place. This video is your guide. If our approach to timeless wisdom resonates, please support our work by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. It genuinely helps us continue this mission. Today, we explore 10 foundational Stoic lessons. These aren't abstract theories, they are principles to apply from the moment you leave this video. They are specifically chosen for those who seek not just knowledge, but deep, lasting equanimity in life's second act. Let's begin. Lesson 1. Master the dichotomy of control. The philosopher Epictetus gave us the cornerstone of Stoic practice, the clear division between what is within our power and what is not. Within your power, your judgments, your values, your efforts, and your reactions. Asterisk outside your power, asterisk external events. The past, the future, other people's opinions and actions. The profound anxiety we feel is almost always a result of confusing these two. We exhaust ourselves trying to control the uncontrollable. The Stoic remedy is simple, yet life-changing. Asterisk invest all your energy solely in your inner realm, your choices and character. Release your grip on outcomes. Find your satisfaction in playing your part well, not in the final result. This is the bedrock of true resilience. Lesson 2. Practice acceptance, not resistance. Emperor Marcus Aurelius, ruling an empire in constant turmoil, wrote extensively about acceptance. This is not passive resignation. It is the active, clear-eyed choice to stop arguing with reality. Life will bring delays, frustrations, losses, and difficult people. Fighting this fact is like trying to swim against a riptide. It only leads to exhaustion and despair. Acceptance is turning to swim with the current, conserving your strength to navigate wisely. It is saying, this is the situation. Now, what is the best, most virtuous step I can take within it? This mindset transforms obstacles into the very path forward. Lesson 3. Anchor yourself in the present. The Stoic Seneca warned us that we are tormented by our imagination of the future and burdened by the memory of the past. The antidote is mindful presence. Worry is a debt you take out on a future that may never come. Regret is a prison of a past you cannot change. Your point of power is now. Practice pulling your attention back to your current sensory experience. The feel of your breath, the sounds around you, the task literally at hand. This simple act of anchoring in the present is a direct line to calm, pulling you out of the storms of your own thoughts. Lesson 4. See adversity as training. Epictetus reframed every hindrance with a powerful question. What is this obstacle for? In the Stoic view, challenges are not misfortunes. They are the necessary training ground for strength, patience, and courage. A difficult person trains your tolerance. A failed plan trains your adaptability. A loss trains your appreciation. By voluntarily embracing life's inevitable difficulties as your personal gym for character, you stop feeling victimized by them. You begin to meet them with a steady gaze, asking, what virtue can this moment help me develop? Lesson 5. Choose your response consciously. Between any event and your reaction, there is a space. In that space lies your freedom and power. Epictetus stressed that while we cannot control the event, we absolutely control the judgment we place upon it and our subsequent action. Someone is rude, the event is their words. Your choice is whether to interpret it as a personal insult or as a reflection of their own inner state. That choice then dictates your reaction, escalation, or compassion. By slowing down and claiming that space, you move from being a reactor to being a conscious author of your life. Lesson 6. Cultivate enoughness. Seneca observed that wealth is not having vast possessions, but having few wants. Much of our inner turmoil stems not from genuine need, but from limitless desire for more status, more comfort, more approval. Stoicism invites you to practice intentional moderation, distinguish between needs and wants. Find deep satisfaction in what you already have: your health, your relationships, your capacity for reason. This is not a life of poverty, but one of profound richness, where your peace is no longer held hostage by the next thing you don't yet own. Lesson 7. Live by a moral compass. For the Stoics, the ultimate goal was a life of virtue, defined as wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. Your character is the one thing the world cannot take from you. In every decision, large or small, ask, is this wise? Is this courageous? Is this fair? Is this disciplined? Aligning your actions with this inner compass provides a consistency and integrity that external chaos cannot shake. It creates a self-respect that is the foundation of unassailable calm. Lesson 8. Remember, the view from above. Marcus Aurelius practiced a powerful exercise, visualizing his life from a cosmic perspective. See the vast sweep of time, the rise and fall of empires, the infinite span of the universe. Then see your own concerns within that frame. This view from above is a direct antidote to self-importance and anxiety. It highlights the precious brevity of your time, urging you to focus on what is essential. It shrinks today's crisis to its true proportion. This practice instills a serene gratitude for the mere opportunity to participate in the miracle of existence. Lesson 9. Keep a gratitude inventory. Seneca ended each day by reflecting on what went well. This is strategic. Our minds have a natural negativity bias, clinging to problems. A disciplined gratitude practice counterweights this. Each evening, mentally note 3 specific things for which you are grateful. Not vague concepts, but concrete moments. A helpful conversation, a task completed, a moment of beauty noticed. This trains your mind to seek and collect evidence of good, building a reservoir of positive perspective that sustains you during harder times. Lesson 10. Commit to lifelong growth. The Stoic journey has no final destination. Epictetus saw the philosopher as an eternal student. True peace is found not in a state of perfect completion, but in the humble, ongoing process of learning, adjusting, and improving. Each day is an opportunity to practice a little more patience, understand a little more deeply, act a little more justly. Embrace mistakes as tuition paid for wisdom. This growth mindset keeps you engaged, curious, and resilient, ensuring that your later years are marked not by rigidity, but by deepening wisdom and peace. In a world of constant change and uncertainty, Stoicism offers not a temporary escape, but a permanent inner foundation. By integrating these 10 lessons, you are not just managing stress, you are architecting a life of profound calm and purposeful mastery. The tranquility you seek isn't found in perfect circumstances. It is built, day by day, through the choices outlined here. It is already within your power to begin.